Sure. How the Pluton simplifies the interaction is by delegating the process of finding the best routes and executing the transactions to experienced solvers instead of the users. So basically what users can is that users can lock their funds on a smart contract on the source chain, and the solvers would find the most capital efficient, most easy task. Let's consider this task. If a user wants to sell BTC and get a stable coin like USDC on Arbitrum and deposit that stable coin on Aave, so the user might need to find a bridge to transfer BTC to WBTC on Arbitrum or any other wrapped Bitcoin asset. And then he should swap the BTC wrapped asset to a stable coin and then deposit it on our wallets. So what we can do in Pluton, that user locks BTC and the solver deposits an amount of USDC on behalf of the user to Aave. It's more simple, it's more capital efficient, it's more cost efficient, and the experience is very seamless. Got it. So basically, Pluton has two different layers. One is the solver layer and one is the protocol layer. On the protocol layer, there's a verifier network which guarantee the decentralization of the network. They look at these different blockchains to ensure that user funds are locked properly, the solvers are filling the intent of the user properly, and if the solvers don't, the user funds are unlocked and refunded to the user. So the verifier network is responsible for the decentralization and trustless swaps, but the solver network, what they solve is the capital efficiency and competitive rates, because there are different solvers who are professional market makers or DeFi aggregators that can find the best route, and they compete with each other to provide the best route. So those tasks of decentralization and efficiency are delegated to different parts of the network.
Can you talk about the decision to support its own blockchain alongside even competitive chains? How does this shape Pluton's protocol?
Sure. Basically, what we in Rango, we had experience with multiple chains. We built on UTXO chains like BTC, LTC, Bitcoin Cash. We built on EVM chains, Solana, Tom blockchain, and Move blockchains. What we thought for Pluton network was that we want to build something that makes the experience more simple. And the users on Telegram are mainly simple users. They have no previous experience with DeFi, so it would be a perfect solution for them to use Pluton instead of crypto natives who really want to know about the details of the protocol, who really care about who might even care about the route that they are using. So we decided to go with TON and EVMs first, but add these other blockchains in the next stages.
With the growing complexity in multi-chain DeFi, how do you envision the role of aggregators and meta protocols like Pluton over the next 2 or 3 years?
I think in the DeFi, the complexity is growing very fast, and even big teams like DEX aggregators don't catch all of the available routes. So I think aggregators like Pluton or on-chain aggregators are crucial to this space, because they can help the users, crypto natives or not, or Web2 users, to find an execution which is fast, which is trustless, and which is capital efficient.
And the last question. Do you believe DeFi will ever completely replace traditional finance, or is Pluton more focused on bridging the two?
Good question. I don't think that DeFi will completely replace the TradFi, at least in the short term. But what we can do, we can bridge the two worlds of TradFi and DeFi. There's a working solution in TradFi that people are using in their daily lives. We should integrate them in DeFi. That's what we're planning in Pluton. And over time, by this bridging and onboarding users to DeFi, maybe in some jurisdictions of the world, the DeFi can completely replace the traditional finance.